you can just see which are replenished by nature. Okay, natural sources
Yes,
which are
ma'am.
you
Ma'am, which class is
get.
this, ma'am?
Okay,
We
yes,
can make it new again.
we can make it. We can get it. We can replenish it.
And
Renew
ma'am,
it.
we learned about how soil how
How they are
petroleum
formed.
comes.
Yes, how you get the fuel, how much years it takes to form these petroleum products. All the fuel is known as petroleum products. We get it from petroleum. Okay, so
We
now
learned solar power and nuclear power.
very good. You learned about resources, solar and nuclear. Okay, solar is renewable or non-renewable? Solar.
Uh, renewable, ma'am. But
Renewable, very good. Solar is renewable. How it is renewable? Why we are saying solar is renewable?
because every day sun comes from ma'am.
Because
It
very
can't
good.
But
Yes,
till night it
can't
will go, and
finish.
after sun comes, then solar energy will be back.
because you get solar energy from the sun. From sun radiation, you get solar energy. We have, you have seen in houses and in many factories and industries, you have solar panels. They get charged up with sun radiations, and then you get electricity. In turn, you get electricity from solar energy. Okay, so okay, nuclear is renewable or non-renewable? Nuclear energy,
Non-renewable.
non-renewable, because
Not
they
renewable.
okay. Where is nuclear energy used?
On bombs. On
Yes.
bombs.
Nuclear, आपकी
Creating
nuclear
bombs.
bombs. Yes. So today we will move forward with this. Okay. Very good. I am presenting the screen. Nobody will present in between. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Is my screen visible?
No, ma'am. Only your name is coming.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is
Now
visible?
it's coming, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Visible. No, ma'am. It is visible, ma'am.
Okay.
It's visible, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am. Not visible.
आपको दिख रहा है अब ये दिख रहा है ना चैप्टर ओके
Yes, ma'am.
okay so now yesterday
We stopped here, ma'am, yesterday.
yesterday we have done this poster. You have read this poster. Petrol and diesel will not last forever. Save it for your children. So this
Yes,
poster we
ma'am.
have done. Okay, so you can see here this poster is of 2007. 6/6/2007. And what was the rate of petrol? And I asked you in the homework to write a rate of petrol and diesel. I asked you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Why? Because see the year here. The what is the difference between present rate and the before previous year's rate? So you
Ma'am,
can
in
see
that year, my sister born, ma'am. My big
2007.
sister.
Good. So at that time, 2007, what was the rate of petrol? 40 rupees, 47.
47.6,
In my book,
74
it is
rupees per
date
liter.
13/7/2017 in my book.
In some books, I think in some books, new edition, the date is changed, right? You have a
Yes,
different
And the
date.
ma'am.
petrol rate is
Yes,
64.91
ma'am.
prices.
Because
Ma'am,
with year in
ma'am, today it's from 84 to 85 rupees.
yes. So what is the present rate of petrol today in this
84 to 85 rupees.
to 85?
90.
84, 85,
Ma'am,
90
why the rate increases day by day?
because the demand
Because the vehicles are made more and more.
more and more vehicles, more and more vehicles, more and more demands. How you will
Yes.
fulfill that demands? That's why yesterday we learned about this. How to why we learned yesterday there should be less number of vehicles on the road, right?
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
and you should switch to renewable resources. हमें renewable resources ज़्यादा use करने चाहिए, and we should use
Yes,
only
ma'am.
public transport. If you will use public transport like trains and buses, so there will be less number of vehicles on the road, right? And
Yes,
then
ma'am.
less demand and less rate. So this is all because of technology. Technology is increasing day by day, so vehicles are also increasing. They are making
Yes,
updates.
ma'am.
So everything increases with development. So that's why the rate also increases. So now present rate, see at that time 2007 rate was 47, right? Now but it is 85 to 90. Diesel was
Yes, ma'am.
35. What is the rate of diesel?
80 rupees.
80, and at that time 35. So you can see the difference between 80 and 35. Okay, that's
Now
why
new cars are made now, ma'am. That's why.
that's why I asked you to record the rate of petrol and diesel so that you can come to know why we should save. Now, from the rate, you can calculate why we need to save these fuels. Okay, so if you will save, it will be available for our future generations. Okay, next, we could not understand why it was written that petrol and diesel will not last forever. So, now tell me why they will not last forever. Now you know.
Ma'am, because someday microorganisms can't make petrol.
Because it takes, yes, it takes millions of years for the formation, and if you will not use it judicially, you will not use it properly, so at one day it will finish, and then it will
Yes,
take
ma'am.
years to
Then it will take years and years to
how
make
we will
get it back.
spend that, how we will spend that years. So to protect our generation, we should save these.
Then electric vehicles are popular, ma'am.
Yes, electric. We should switch. We should have some. We should need some alternative solutions to
Switch
this.
to electric vehicles.
Yes, we thought of asking an uncle who works at the petrol pump. So now this school trip, students were on the school trip. So they were asking uncle why, because students were not like you. The students does know why we need to save. So they wanted to ask from you, also ask from your parents whether we should save or not. Okay, today at home, go and ask your parents, do we need to save these fuels, petrol and diesel, and tell me tomorrow what they gave you the answer. Okay, whether they said yes or whether they said no. Okay, and then ask them why. If they say yes, then ask them why. If they say no, then also ask them why. Yes, yes, any doubt? Fifth B. Okay, let's move forward. Abraham, uncle, from where do we get petrol and diesel? So now what did uncle? So tell me, from where do we get this diesel?
Deep underground.
Yes, from
At the petrol pump. From deep down under the ground.
so from deep.
Ma'am, those who work on petrol pump.
Yes, some students will say we get petrol from the petrol pump. Okay, so because you just know that you go to petrol pump and your vehicles get on with the petrol there, but from actually from where we get these petrol, so we get it.
Ma'am, from deep down under the ground.
Yes, but how does it made there? Now another student was asking how it is made. So yesterday we have done this in detail. It is formed naturally but very slowly. Naturally, how it is made naturally? By
Ma'am, how do we put that
sorry,
fuel in the
one by one, one by one. Yes.
ma'am, how do we put that fuel in the machine?
With the
There's
pipe,
a container.
contain with the pipes, you see these you get these these are made underground. Okay, deep inside the ground this petroleum is made. Okay, then petroleum has many categories like petrol,
Yes, ma'am.
diesel, jet fuels, wood,
Yes, ma'am.
coal,
Fuel,
kerosene, all
Oil,
these
kerosene.
are mixed. So we have to make them separate. So they impurities are attached. What are impurities? ये जो फ्यूल होते हैं ना, ये पूरे प्योर नहीं होते. These are not pure. They are mixed with some impurities. So we have
Yes,
to
ma'am.
send them to refineries. Okay, like
Yes, ma'am. They use machines to clean the fuel.
so they go to refineries and there they are they remove the impurities, they make them pure and then they segregate into different categories. वो different categories में उनको अलग-अलग करते हैं. Petrol अलग, diesel अलग. Okay, so then they refine it there. And from petroleum we get many things: kerosene, gas, petrol, diesel. You will we will read this in coming chapter. Okay, so and then they are sent with the pipes, they are sent in the machines. जो पेट्रोल पंप पे आप machines देख रहे हैं उनके साथ में जो pipes big
how much money we should give, everything is listed.
yes, big and thick pipes are attached underground. So from there you get the pure petrol there. Okay, so they are made naturally by fossil. You have read fossil fuels, by decay, dead and decay vegetation and organisms. So it is formed naturally but very slowly. It is not made by human being or a machine. So human being have nothing to do with this formation.
Yes, ma'am.
Naturally अपने आप nature इसे बनाता है. But millions of years it takes. Abraham, then we don't need to buy it. We can take it out ourselves using a borewell, like we pump out water. So one student was saying, then why we come here to buy? You can't, you don't have that.
Because it is not there everywhere. It can be only on some places.
Because you can't get it from the ground, because in every place you didn't get oil. Okay, in India there are some states where we get oil from the ground. आपको जरूरी नहीं है हर जगह पे आपको ऑयल मिलेगा. ओके, वाटर यू विल गेट एवरीवेयर, बट ऑयल वी गेट एट सम प्लेसेस, सम स्टेट्स. सो यू कांट यूज बोरवेल. आप इसे बोरवेल से नहीं निकाल सकते. ओके,
Yes, ma'am.
it is not found everywhere.
Even underground there is water to get the oil.
Yes, but only at few places in our country we need big machines to pump it out and clean it. So that's why I'm saying clean it. First of all, it is attached with impurities. आपको इसको clean करना होता है. ये clean already नहीं होता है, because ground में earth जो आपका deep ground है.
Sand, ma'am. Sand and the dirt.
Okay, next is which states of India have oil fields? Okay, tell me. क्या किसको पता है कहाँ पे कौन कौन सी स्टेट्स में ऑयल मिलता है?
Ma'am, Assam, Rajasthan.
Assam, Rajasthan, very good. Very good. Any other else? Good attempt, very good. Assam, Rajasthan. I'll show you the map now. Wait. See, these are the states.
Ma'am, also Gujarat.
Gujarat, yes. See here, you can see the map.
Ma'am, Gujarat.
Yes, ma'am.
Major oil and gas fields. आपको major oil and gas fields. Okay, गैस में कौन सा आता है? कल मैंने आपको गैस के 2 फॉर्म्स बताए थे. कौन से गैस की बात हो रही है? 2 गैसेस कौन सी थी? Fifth.
There are less states, ma'am, in every country that we get oil.
कौन सी 2 गैसेस बताई थी मैंने आपको?
Ma'am, LPG and CNG.
Very good. LPG and CNG.
LPG and CNG.
Liquefied petroleum gas. LPG is liquefied petroleum gas that is used in your cooking. आपके cylinders में LPG गैस होता है. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. CNG are the
CNG. Yes.
fuel types. Those are used by vehicles.
Those CNG is used in vehicles like autos, cars. Okay. And you can say trucks.
Cycle.
Rajasthan, Gujarat, Mumbai, Maharashtra,
Ma'am,
Andhra Pradesh and
everyone voice is echoing.
Missouri. Okay. So now mute everyone. I'll open this. So this is in which you get oil.
Ma'am, it is coming.
Mute everyone.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Mute everyone. Now it will be okay. Nobody will unmute. Mute. So let me come back to the map here. Okay. So the states, first one you told Gujarat is right. This one is Rajasthan. Okay. This one is Gujarat.
Assam.
Okay. Here is Maharashtra. Maharashtra Assam.
Yes, ma'am. Maharashtra.
Maharashtra.
Assam, ma'am.
Gujarat,
Assam.
Assam is in northeast. Assam is a northeastern part here.
Yes,
Seven.
ma'am. It's
You
not
have-
eastern part.
Yes, northeastern part. You have read about seven sisters, right? Nagaland, Tripura,
Ma'am,
Mizoram.
even southeastern.
Ma'am, Andhra Pradesh.
Some part is there.
Vizag, ma'am. There is ma'am.
Okay, so northeastern आपके oil here this आप please fifth beat first ये जो don't unmute, that's why my voice is echoing. Don't unmute. जब क्वेश्चन आएगा तब अनम्यूट करो, अभी नहीं. So northeastern part, Gujarat, Rajasthan, and then Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, all these places you get oil. Okay, in some parts of Odisha, now where do you get gas? Oil fields तो आपने बताया. Where you get gas? See here, triangle is made in the down part. You will see gas fields with a triangle here. Okay,
Ma'am, from Rajasthan.
oil fields are
Rajasthan, there on Rajasthan and Maharashtra.
Odisha, here Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra. You get
Yes, ma'am.
you get these gases. Which gases I'm talking about? Please join back again, Udeshwari. आप दोबारा join हो जाओ. दोबारा join करो. Okay, so this was the states and of oil and gases. Okay, you have to.
Ma'am, there are less states, ma'am.
Your homework is for today is to mark the states on the map. Okay, get a map and then mark the oil states: Gujarat, Rajasthan, Assam, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Assam. Okay, all these states you have to mark on a map, and you will give heading states of oil fields. Okay, am I clear? Fifth B.
Yes, ma'am.
Mark it on Indian political map. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next is besides oil, what
Ma'am,
else
can you
is
say
found?
what you just said? Your voice was breaking last time.
I said that you have to mark these states, oil fields on Indian political map. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Today, complete your work today only. This much mapping.
Ma'am, can we draw India map on notebook?
If you want to draw, you can. If you can draw, then you can draw. I have no problem. But if you can't draw, you can buy also. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Next, besides oil, what else is found deep inside the earth? So, what do you get?
Ma'am, coal, iron, copper,
Minerals. Okay.
micro, ma'am, diamonds, ma'am, diamonds,
One
diamonds, gold,
diamond, gold, ornament, metals. See, you get minerals.
Diamond is a stone, ma'am.
Diamond is listen. Diamond is stone. He's right. Diamond is stone. It is a carbon product. Diamond is a carbon product.
Stone, ma'am.
You can tell elements. You get various metals,
yes, ma'am.
non-metals, and minerals from the
Some people find dinosaur bones, ma'am, inside the mines.
inside the earth. You get some fossil fuels. Okay, you get the
Yes, ma'am. Even
And ma'am, the
both,
things
ma'am,
of
some
earlier people.
sorry, kya?
The things
both
of
also,
earlier
ma'am.
people.
Yes. So all these things you can write: minerals, metals, non-metals. Yeah, that will come in fossil fuels only. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, we get coal from 6 layers down, ma'am.
Coal also you get everything you get layer by layer. Okay. हर एक layer पे हर चीज नहीं होती. You have to go down to get the material. Okay. It is deep inside the crust, earth crust. आगे आप when you go to higher classes, you will study about the layers of earth, core, mantle, and crust. We have three layers.
Ma'am.
Okay, so crust is the outermost part is your crust.
Ma'am, in Africa, there is so much diamonds, ma'am.
Africa, there are diamonds. Find it
Yes, ma'am.
out. Every country has its speciality. You get
But ma'am, our country there was a diamond, but the
I know
Britishers
diamond.
had taken.
Ma'am, our country has very, very rare diamonds, ma'am.
Rare diamonds. That is not
Yes.
now. We don't have that Kohinoor diamond.
But earlier we had so many diamonds.
We had diamonds, but now it was you would have studied in past history chapters. So we don't have now that Kohinoor one. Earlier we had many diamonds. India. Okay, so now let's move forward. Now this is petrol going to finish? The poster said petrol is not going to last forever. Uncle, it does not get made as fast as we take out. It takes lakhs of years for it to be formed under the earth. This I already told you, many years. Okay, how will vehicles run if the oil finishes? Okay, tell me. If you will not get oil, how will vehicles run? Do you think they can run? So we need to electric. We need to get to electric
We should charge the vehicles with solar power.
solar panel. Yes,
Yes,
you have
ma'am.
to make some vehicles so that run on solar energy. You need some other solution.
And pollution also less, ma'am.
Less pollution. So this is a very good point. If you use oil, so much smoke. Oil fuel give out smoke. The fuels we use today, we get smoke there. So that's why we are saying on reducing it and saving it. Switching to some other option. Electric cars, I guess we in many countries we have electric cars.
Ma'am, electric aeroplane has been there, ma'am, in
Yes.
America.
So we are time to time we are developing. Okay.
Rolls-Royce company made that electric car.
So that's due to these reasons only we are switching to some other options like electric. Electric rickshaws are also there. You have seen battery rickshaws.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Pink color.
Ma'am,
Pink
Ola.
color.
Bus also there.
Battery rickshaws are also there. So rickshaws.
Buses also there.
Yes. So you would have seen many uh, electric things. Okay. In many countries we have on CNG. I had seen on TV that vehicles which run on CNG give less smoke. So that's why we are CNG autos and cars which install CNG. They give out very less smoke, less than petrol and diesel. CNG is compressed natural gas. Okay. Uncle, that too comes from below the earth. It also limited. CNG is also a petroleum product and it is also limited. Electricity can be used to run vehicles. I have seen an electric bicycle. So now we have electric bicycles, electric rickshaws, we have. We will have to do something or else how we will travel when we grow up. If fewer vehicles run on the road, my dadi would be happy. She says, look, vehicles line up like ants. What will you do when you grow up? So nowadays you have seen traffic jam, many vehicles are there. So when you will grow up, what will you do? There will be you will switch to electric. Switch to electrics. See, only one or two people are sitting in cars. Why doesn't everyone use a bus? So the child is saying you should use a public transport. Okay, you use a bus, a public transport.
We don't have so much money to always use, no, ma'am.
That will save petrol. One can carry many people. One bus can carry many people. When I grow up, I will invent a car that runs on sunlight. So this is one is saying I will make a solar energy car. Then we don't have to worry about
Already readied, ma'am. Solar
solar.
power. It is already readied, ma'am.
So you will not worry about the finishing because solar energy you are getting from sun. So you can charge it and then
And solar energy is very unlimited, ma'am. Sun will come daily. And we can charge so much
but
battery.
one demerit is if on the day a cloudy day, sunny day you can charge. Okay, but when there will be a rainy day, No sun, then how will you charge?
Ma'am, some solar plates are like this. When the sun is come, they will store the energy, and when the sun not come, they will give the energy to engine.
Yes, so they already store that energy in the part. Okay, so if there is no sun, so you can use the stored energy that is already stored in the panels.
Ma'am, UPS is the stored part only, ma'am. When current gone, UPS will give us energy to work.
Work, yes. Then we don't have to worry about it getting finished. We can use it as much as we want. So solar energy uses. So you are now aware what is solar energy, how do you get, and whether it can be finished or not. Because it is a renewable resource, so it can't be finished. Now next is treasure from the earth. It is not easy to find out where oil is. Deep down below the earth, scientists use special techniques and machines to find this out. Then through pipes and machine, petroleum is pumped up. This oil is smelly. Now what is the color of petroleum? In exams, this question is asked many times. What is the color of petroleum? This oil is smelly, thick, dark.
Ma'am, oil is black color. Petrol is light green color.
No, ma'am, it's very light yellow.
Dark colored liquid. Petroleum is a very dark colored liquid. It is a thick liquid. Okay.
It's
Dark
little
color.
darker and also lighter.
Yes. It contains many things mixed in it. So I already told you it has impurities. To clean and separate this, it is sent to refinery. We have to send it to refineries to clean this. Have you ever heard of a refinery? What is a refinery? Fifth B. What is a refinery?
Dividing.
What do you mean by a refinery?
Purifying, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. The place where we purify petrol.
Yes, refineries are industries or places where you purify the.
Ma'am, that separates good petrol and bad petrol.
Yes, you make it. Cleaning means making separate only, na. When you send to refinery, they segregate this, make separate columns, bad and good. So it is from the petroleum or oil that we get kerosene, diesel, petrol, engine oil, and fuels for crafts. So from petroleum, we get many things: kerosene, diesel, petrol, engine oil, fuel for crafts. Do you know LPG, cooking gas, wax, coal tar, grease are all also obtained from this? So question will be name some petroleum products. So how will you answer this? पेट्रोलियम प्रोडक्ट्स कौन कौन से हैं? पेट्रोलियम से क्या क्या मिलता है?
Naphtha, petrol, and gasoline, jet fuel.
Yes,
Kerosene,
Diesel.
इंजन ऑयल,
Lotion.
सी है all the names: kerosene, diesel, petrol, engine oil, fuel for aircrafts, wax, coal tar, LPG, CNG, grease, coal tar. All these you get from.
Ma'am, aeroplanes used other petrols, ma'am.
ma'am. Aeroplane use different
White
ones.
fuel, white fuel. That is
Yes,
very, very
ma'am. White fuel.
that is very, very purity in petrol.
White fuel is
Taylor machine oil.
Ma'am, very, very purity than petrol, ma'am. White fuel is very, very pure.
white fuel is very much.
Ma'am, Taylor machine oil.
क्या बोल रहे हो? White, see, वो white fuel होता है. White fuel is very much pure. It is used in airplanes. Aeroplane में use होता है. It is used in aeroplanes. Okay.
Ma'am, machine oil.
Machine
Ma'am,
oil,
Taylor machine oil.
engine oil, machine oil, everything you get from petroleum. Okay. So these are some.
Engine oil.
Okay.
Ma'am, Taylor machine oil.
Fifth B, come to this. Next, these questions we have already discussed. What
Ma'am, Taylor machine oil.
machine oil, all oil you get from petroleum. Okay. Now, these are some questions which we have already discussed. What kind of problem will you face if the number of vehicles keep on increasing?
Pollution.
More traffic,
Pollution.
crowd, and
Traffic
smoking will get
crowd,
diseases.
pollution.
This we have done. So next
Blind
part is,
people can't cross the road easily.
okay, this one will be your homework for today. एक आपको homework करना है, map पे आपको states mark करने हैं. Okay, you have to mark states on the map, Indian map. Okay, next one is this poster. ये poster हम अभी ये
Where
वाला
am
poster
I
करेंगे.
used?
Okay, where this is oil, where all is oil used? These are uses of oil. हम oil कहाँ
To
का use
run
करते हैं?
machines, for dry cleaning, for lighting as petrol, diesel, or aeroplane fuel.
Yes, for as LPG, kerosene and
A
LPG.
kerosene, LPG, for making plastic and paint.
So you have to make this poster in your notebooks and you have to write this question, where all is oil used? ये आपको अपनी notebook में बनाना है. Okay, और नीचे इसके आंसर, इसका आंसर लिखना है. ऑयल कहाँ कहाँ पे यूज होता है? Okay.
The answer is just in the poster, ma'am.
Fifth B, clear. क्या होमवर्क में पता है होमवर्क?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Where
ma'am.
is, next question is, where is diesel used? Find out. Diesel
To
कहाँ पे
run machines.
To run machines, to run
To
vehicles,
run vehicles.
to run generators. For current.
Fifth B, now mute yourself and listen. Be ready for that. This today we will do till here. Okay, your homework is from next class. We will do this one. Okay, rates of petrol and diesel.
मैम ये होमवर्क व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में सेंड करती.
होमवर्क मैं आपको व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में सेंड करूंगी, ठीक है?
ओके मैम.
Okay, I'll send after the class in the group. Okay, for homework. Okay, so your homework is to do this part. First one is map. ये वाला क्वेश्चन करना है आपको मैप में. Which states? और next question is besides oil आपको अर्थ में क्या मिलता है? ये दो क्वेश्चन करने हैं मैप के साथ. Okay, you have to paste the map, fill the states and then write these two questions. समझ आया? Fifth B.
Ma'am, what is the map? What should we take, ma'am?
मैप में आपको स्टेट्स मार्क करनी है जहाँ पे ऑयल मिलता है, लाइक असम, गुजरात, राजस्थान.
Assam, Gujarat, Rajasthan.
Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh. These states you have to mark. Find out from the Google. More states are there.
Ma'am, also
Ma'am, I
gas
have
and
Atlas book,
separate
ma'am. I have
oil.
Atlas book.
Sorry, क्या बोल रहे हो? एक-एक करके बोलो. क्या कह रहे
And
हो?
also gas also.
Gas and oil both. You will get from the Google. Google it
Ma'am,
and
we
you
should
will get.
separate gas
Ma'am,
and
gas-
oil.
Ma'am, gas fields.
मैंने आपको जो मैप दिखाया है वो मैं आपको सेंड करूंगी व्हाट्सएप में. ओके, आई सेंड दैट
gas
मैप.
fields राजस्थान में है, गुजरात में है, महाराष्ट्र में है.
Ma'am, in your PDF,
Gas
there are
fields.
2 questions in find out, but in my textbook there are 4 questions.
Which four? Two more questions. क्या है दो और questions?
Find out the traffic rules and discuss them in the class. We should use
Traffic
petrol
rules.
and diesel judiciously. Think
Okay.
and think twice.
Okay, send me these two questions, Vrinda. फोटो खींच के मुझे भेजो. I'll give you as a in
Yes,
question answers में मैं आपको ये answers दूंगी, ठीक है? आपको सिर्फ ये दो करने हैं अभी. These two, okay? Last two I'll give you afterwards. First,
Okay, ma'am.
these two states and then oil. This one, okay? What else is found inside the earth? Okay? And poster, everyone has already made the poster in homework. Already homework में आपने poster बना लिया है safe fuel का.
Yes, ma'am.
So no need to make it again. Okay? No need to make it again. Instead of that poster, आप ये वाला poster बनाओगे, ये वाला जो book में है. ठीक है? Page number 116 पे है ये poster. Book का page, homework is do page number 116 of the book. Draw the poster and do the question answers. Where all is oil used? Where is diesel used? Find out. Okay?
Ma'am.
Okay. So be ready for the attendance. Attendance दो जल्दी जल्दी. Fifth B. अपनी attendance. Be ready and please send your homework. Fifth B. Homework send करो, नहीं तो मैं report cards नहीं दूंगी. Report cards उन्हीं को मिलेंगे जो मुझे होमवर्क भेजेगा. ओके, Roll number 1, Brunda. Brunda present है? Brunda.
Yes, ma'am, present.
Deepa. Brunda, homework भेजो. Brunda, homework.
Okay, ma'am.
Next, Deepa. नहीं है. Jazel. Jazel. Jazel.
Yes.